Hi, Cancerians. I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarobyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love life or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarobyanisha@gmail.com. Cancerians, it's quite a big month. We have a solar eclipse that is there, and we also have an ongoing Mercury retrograde. The retrograde started from the 20th of May and it carries on till about 23rd of June. And the solar eclipse is around the 10th of June. Now, they also come as disruptive, life changing events or even more subtle changes which we may not realize. Eclipses often carry the signature of change, so it could be something that we're resisting. And depending on which house that they're aspecting for you, that is the area of work that you need to be doing in your life. What's interesting to note is that eclipses run through the zodiac every 19 years. And when the eclipse happens, try and remember as to where it is that you were 19 years back. Maybe it's a theme that is being carried out for you. An eclipse in astrology, whether it is a lunar eclipse or a solar eclipse, it brings about unexpected events or changing moments in our lives. Solar eclipses, however, are considered quite fortunate. They bring about new opportunities, they bring about new beginnings for us. And of course, depending upon how much is it that you're willing to change. On the first, for you Cancerians, Venus moves into your own house with Mars. And it's a good combination with Mars bringing about its energy, its maybe aggressiveness, restlessness, enthusiasm, coupled with Venus's charm, persuasion, and a lot of money. So there's going to be a lot of focus on yourself. What is it that you want to do with your life? Where it is that you see yourself? What are the kind of people that you want to hang around with? And also your worldview, how it is that you want the world to perceive you. So you could be doing a lot of not just inner work, but maybe a lot of you could also be sprucing up your wardrobe. You could just be looking at, maybe changing your hairstyle, how it is that you present yourself to the world, how it is that you want the world to perceive you. So all of that could be getting done during this time. On the 10th, of course, we have the solar eclipse, and the solar eclipse is there in your house of behind the scenes. And this is the house of the soul, it's the house of spirituality. And with the solar eclipse coming over here, it could be that some of you may have really vivid dreams. You know, you could just be, it could almost be this sense of that you're being spoken to. Or maybe there is something that you may have wanted to do for the longest time, in your life, and you've been unable to do that. And this is a time where you will find yourself that you are free to do. Maybe follow your own spiritual path. Maybe you want to go and serve others. Maybe you want to join an NGO. You could also become aware of something maybe that could have been hidden from you earlier, Cancerians. It could just be this sense of that, a veil has got lifted from your eyes. And this could also include maybe behaviors of certain people. Maybe, people have been being something on your face and they've been talking about you behind your back, and they could just be this clarity of that they can't be trusted now. And you are also being asked to grow beyond your four walls of familiar habits, so things maybe you have not been able to break through, either because of a psychological pattern, that you just feel that this is how I am and this is, I don't think so I can change. But you're being given an opportunity to bring about that change, do some work on yourself. It's a time to be embracing a new set of circumstances. For some of you, you may face fear and you may just conquer an old psychological habit pattern. Maybe it could be an alcohol addiction, maybe it could be just low confidence, or it could also be a toxic relationship, or it could also be a deep belief that you can't hold on to a job. And all of this you will be able to work through during this time. It's giving you an opportunity, the eclipse. On the 12th, we have Mars that is moving into your house of money. So maybe a frenzy of restlessness about, how it is that you earn money. Maybe some money is owed to you and you're trying to recover that money for yourself. But a lot of conversations about how it is more that you can create wealth. On the 21st, we have Sun that joins Venus in your own house. So again, this brings about courage. It brings about, gives you an ability to speak your mind, to maybe ask for something that you may have been hesitating. On the 23rd, we have Mercury that goes direct. Great time. Now, this is a time where you can start your projects again. You can initiate maybe new projects, new negotiations, a new job, a new diet, new conversations. It's also a good time to be, it's a wonderful time to be reaching out to your groups of friends of people. And, even if you can't meet them physically, get on maybe a Zoom call, uh, call them up, and it could just be walking down the memory lane for you. So a great time to be connecting with all your friends, people who are your tribe, people with whom you relate very well with. Maybe there's an option of collaborating or creating something together as well. On the 24th, we are ending the month with a full moon that is there in your house of marriage. So maybe a partnership is coming to an end for some of you. Maybe a divorce is finally coming through for you. The papers have, maybe been signed, but now is the time it finally comes through. For some of you, it could be a business partnership which is coming to an end, and it doesn't have to be negative. It's just bringing about new beginnings. Maybe it's a time of ending so that new things can begin. So, a project may end, a partnership may end. It could also bring about maybe a relationship also could come to an end during this time. Overall, a wonderful month for self transformation. Cancerians use this eclipse energy, which lasts for about 6 months, to bring about changes in yourself. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Cancerians. I'll see you again soon. And thank you so much for watching.